What's up, guys? Frankstown Fabrications back with you again. Thought maybe you guys might want to see this. If you guys take a look, never been this close to one before. Now that, my friends, is a sweet ride. Look at that. Let's go look at the other side. Check this, guys. This is one hell of a sweet ride. Cobra, guys. I used to have one of these a long time ago. Bought it for 50 bucks, I think it was. Ended up selling it. What did I sell it for? I think I sold it for 300 bucks. It wasn't like this though. What do you think, guys? Think it's a lunatic?
So when we hand you the trophies, they're fragile. So we'll show you how to hold them. If you hold them otherwise, don't tell me they broke. They're fresh, hot off the press, like literally.
That's a sweet Camaro, guys.
So just treat them with care.
Look like they're handing out trophies.
You'll be announced if you win a trophy. If you don't have to have all your information.
70 Mach 1. You know you got a motor when it fills the whole engine compartment, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna throw some water at this. Hot off the press.
Another manual Mustang. Oh, that's some heavy meats. Oh, look at that, the bigger booty. That's a sweet one right there, guys.
We are going to start with an award for
Here's Chris
car
Jacobson,
number
guys.
16, owned by Quentin DeLapp, sponsored by Tom Mullen. Is Quentin here with us? All right, we're 0 for 1. What was the car? We can put that trophy back in the stack because we're 20 short. All right, the next award goes to car number 107, Nancy and John Manzo, sponsored by Tiny's Tavern. All All right, and they are here. Fantastic. Congratulations, you guys. All right, next up, guy who went off-roading with us. Great to see him winning an award. This is car 105, and that goes to Dean Saylor. Sponsored by Goosix. Tell him not a local. Congrats, Dean. Right on, man. All right, let's keep the party going with car 247. And that is owned by Ted DiTieni. Hope I said that right. Sponsored by Big Sky ATMs. Ted, are you here? There he is. Congratulations on that. All right, next up with car 188. That is owned by Brent Caraco, sponsored by Performance Engineering. Congratulations to you. All right, here we go. Car number 294, Jay and John Buffington, sponsored by Stink Blossom. Congratulations, guys. Next up, also sponsored by Stink Blossom, car 280, owned by Brian Deal. Hope I'm saying that correctly. Congratulations to you. Brian here with us? There he is. Wow, Stink Blossom. Getting a lot of sponsorships in. They're also sponsoring the next one, car 282, owned by Archie Caravera Caribou, whose U's look like N's and A's. Congratulations, man. All right, moving right along. Car number 269, Ted Andrews, sponsored by Custom 6 Construction. There he is. All righty. Next up, car 265, owned by Larry Ineligible. Performance Engineering. Larry, what's your last name so we can say it up here? Where is he? Is he here? It looks like...
What kind of car?
I think it starts with a D. I'm not sure. Penmanship is overrated. The car is a yellow Jeep Scrambler. 85. He left. He went scrambling. Get that to him later. All right, here we go. Car 252. Rex Williams. Great penmanship, Rex. Thank you for that. Sponsored by Wanderlux. Congrats, Rex. Alrighty, car 272. Greg Schaff. Sponsored by Custom 6 Construction. 272. There he comes. Right on, and while he is coming up to accept his award, let's move on to car 41, owned by Nathan and Chandra Moore, sponsored by Big Sky ATMs. Also sponsored by Big Sky ATMs, the award goes to car 90, owned by Ed Murray. Ed. All right, congrats, Ed. Accepting on behalf of Ed. All right, here we go. Car 53, Gordy Goldahen, sponsored by Big Sky Pet Resort. Gordy, all right. All right, right, good burgers from this sponsor, Fuddruckers. Giving the award to car 239, Michael Johnston. Is it Johnston? Michael Johnston, there he is. Suspect penmanship, a great car. Car 313, Denny Lewick, sponsored by Tiny's Tavern. There's Denny. All right. Another Fuddruckers sponsor award going to car 142, owner Daphne Zortman. Hope I said that right. Daphne in the house? All right, let's move on. Car 83, owner Dan and Sherry Stick on? S-T-I-K-O-N? Am I getting that right? The Stick-Ons. Ever need a Post-it? Go to the Stick-Ons. Sponsored by Glenn and Lori Huffnagel. Congratulations, you guys. Okay, we got a Zortman, trophy for Zortman. All right, moving along, we have car 45, owned by Daryl Cady, sponsored by Brown's Auto. Congratulations, Daryl. All right, next up is car 212, Bill Iverson, sponsored by NIAI. Just NI. We got the whole staff has terrible penmanship. We're going to a printer next year. Like that right there. You see that little slash right there? That can qualify as an I. I've got the microphone. I'm right. Okay, moving right along. Car 262. Man, you guys got to get back in school. Mike Davila? Woo! Atta baby Mike! Hands-on cleaning and maintenance. Congrats, Mike. All right, here we go. Car 153, David Butts, sponsored by Speedometer and Auto Electric. There he is. Congratulations to you. All right, sponsored by Soup and Such. Car 147, owned by Wayne and Lynn Johnson. Wayne and Lynn, congratulations. All right, next up, car 351, owned by Arnie Howdet? How that spelled?
How that spelled?
Sponsored by Northside Pawn. Arnie, congratulations. Keep throwing me curveballs up here with this penmanship. All right, here we go. Car 104. I'm gonna try this. Tim Oilo. Tim Oilo. Sponsored by J&S Transport. Congratulations to Tim. All right, next up, car 78, owned by George LeBrand, sponsored by Blue Body and Paints. George, congrats. Thanking you in advance for legible printing. Car 283, owner Amy Gilson, sponsored by Batteries Plus. Amy, thank you. right, here we go. Sponsored by Midas, car 297. Owner J. Thomas Sosowski. Close enough? Sosowski? The ski man? Sosowski. Where are you at, Sosowski? Get back to class, Sosowski. All right, well, he should be coming out anytime. Congratulations. All right, Albertson sponsoring this next award, car 124, Daniel Taylor. Daniel Taylor. Congratulations. Next up, sponsored by Billings Cars and Coffee, car 204, Robert Booskirk. Yes? No? Unsure? There he is. Hey, Robert. Congratulations to you, sir. Willard's Garage sponsoring this next award, going to car number 2, owned by Philip Engel. Philip Engel. There he comes. All right, Mandeville Agency sponsoring the award, going to car 246, owned by Nick Etienne. Congratulations, Nick. Nick's got that really cool 67 GS out there with the Star Wars intake. If you've never seen a Star Wars intake, go see his cars. They're very rare. Very cool. All right, this trophy is presented by Big Sky Transmission, and it goes to car 37, owned by Danette Sawin. Congratulations. Oh, which car, she says. She's got multiple cars. Okay, this award is given in memory of Don Brokop by ISU Insurance Services and Streeter Brothers. It goes to car 138, owner Mark Ferguson. Mark Ferguson. The Fergmeister. Where is he? There he is. I have suspenders just like that. I'm glad I did not wear them today. It's been very awkward. All right, here we go. Sponsored by Tire-Rama. Car number 80, owned by Gene Atkinson. Gene Atkinson. Congratulations, Gene. Cool Mopar Nats shirt. Here we go. Sponsored by American Steel. The award goes to car 36. S. Danette. So what? Okay, so this is the other car she was talking about. Danette, come on back up. Bring your second hand. You're going to need it for your second award. She knew. She had a premonition. All right, this award sponsored by Cellular Plus, and it goes to car 73, owned by Ed LeBrand. Ed, come on up, buddy. We give the awards out to Mopar guys. We like that. Once again, sponsored by Big Sky ATMs. The award goes to car number 3, R. John Anderson. Here he comes. Congrats to you, sir. Again, sponsored by Big Sky ATMs. The award goes to car 101, Richard and Sally Nixon. Congratulations, Nixons. They coming? Nope? Okay. Here we go, sponsored by Yellowstone Valley Mustang and Special Interest Ford Club. Award goes to car number 12, Jeff Boppa. Jeff. Alrighty, we're moving right through these. Once again, sponsored by Big Sky ATMs. This one going to car 167, owned by Tony and Joy Gafke. Yeah! Woo! Got fans in the audience, I like it. Let's hear it for the Gafkes! Come on down! All right, this trophy sponsored by Greg and Vicky Glukert. I'm saying that right? Glukert. Say it again. Glukert. The Glukert family, Greg and Vicky. Okay, that goes to car 165. Don't give me too much information too quickly. I'm working with limited resources here. Rudy Grossman, come on down. You have won the award. All right, Vern has asked me to inform the award winners moving forward that there is no base. We are base challenged. The first base challenged award, he worked all night long for the past 4 nights to put these together. Just be glad you get one of these vacuum sealed tops. If you want a base, swing on by the shop. Hang out, have a beer, get a base. All right. This one also sponsored by Greg and Vicky. Yeah. Car number 154 goes to Janice Crush. Janice. Woo-hoo. All right, once again, Greg and Vicky Glukert sponsoring this next award, and it goes to car 108, Lonnie Wallace. Lonnie, there he is. Hope you guys have good balance. Balance these trophies with no base. It's going to be all about that base. That base. Bob Smith sponsoring this next award. Going to car 71, Carol Hansen. Carol. Congratulations, Carol. Again, sponsored by Bob Smith. This one going to car 22, owned by David Waters. David. Comes David. Isn't that cool? Oh no, that's not him. He's faking me out over there in that fly yellow shirt. He's anticipating an award win right now. Perhaps this is you, sir. Let's find out. Sponsored by Allied Investments, car 58, Tim and Joan Sleeth. Tim and Joan Sleeth. You with us? All right, here we go. Also sponsored by Allied Investments, the Sleethster. Sponsored by Allied Investments, car 309, Sandy Paulson. Sandy Paulson, congratulations. Only 476 more of these awards to go. Please hang with us. No base. This next one, sponsored by AM Classic Pizza. Car number 25, owned by Jim Erickson. Jim. Sponsored once again by Allied Investments, car 177, owner Mike Brown. Mikey! What up, baby, Mikey? Where'd he go? Where's Mikey? There he is! All right, Allied Investments sponsoring this one as well, and the winner is car 146, Rod and Susan Hankel. And the winner of our next award is car 224, owned by Braden Poodlehoven, Sponsored by Performance Engineering. Special note, Braden is actually responsible for, quote, a ton of work on these awards. So congrats to you, Braden, and thank you very much for helping us out. Appreciate you, Braden. Right on, man. Braden is an engineering prodigy. He was showing me some of his work earlier. All right, next up, sponsored by Performance Engineering. Car number 349, owned by Scott Carnes. Also sponsored by Performance Engineering. The award goes to car 319. I think it's Ashlyn Keel. Could be an S, could be an I. Eileen Keel? Anybody with the last name Keel? It's a 66 GTO. There he is. So what is it? Is it? Oh, that's R? That's an R? No, that's not an R. That wasn't even close to an R. Wasn't capitalized, lowercase, no. Okay, we might be able to make it through this one. Let's see, sponsored by Vogel Feeders, car 205. And I'm gonna go with Lee Buskirk. Lee Buskirk. Close? Close enough? Congratulations. We're not gonna pay. You know, I recommend writing with your hands, not your toes. It'll help us out a little bit. All right, here we go. Sponsored by Rolling Hills Trucking, car 31. Thank you so much for your penmanship, Troy Todlock. Thank you. Got a kid in the front row. Okay, also sponsored by Rolling Hills Trucking. This says my first ever favorite car growing up. I don't know who wrote this, but that's what they had to say. Car 175, and the owner is Rusty and Lisa Gibson. Second place, Best in Show, sponsored by J&S Transport. The winner, with truck number 109, Alan and Stephanie Abelman. It's an Apache truck. Oh, it's not you guys? We're doing very well up here. It's going swimmingly. Well, do you want an award anyway? All right, go ahead, take one. We'll figure this out in a little bit. Should we have a recount? Please stand by while we are experiencing technical difficulties. We got number 3 right, didn't we?
Was it second place or third?
That was second place second place car. Yes. Truck? No, that was car. Because I've got. Oh, this is. Have we? So we haven't done any of the cars yet. We're still on truck. We did car. Now we're truck. Okay, that's second place truck, and I've got first place truck right here. Did you guys enter a truck? They're not. They didn't even enter a truck. Ah, here's the confusion. Okay. They'll be back. Hang out. We'll be back with you in a moment. All right. Much like our off-roading adventure, we're going a little bit off the rails.
Okay, that's their trophy, if you wouldn't mind.
She's got the t-shirt. She's got the truck. There it is. There's the proof.
What did the Apache win?
Third. Okay. Reed, how's your car show going? Hey, you're all winners. You're all winners. Okay. Those do not match. Correct. Your hand was literally on it.
Second place driver.
There we go. Congratulations. All right, we're back on track. Woohoo! And is this our final award? All right, we have reached the end. Yep, we're about to do that one. Congratulations, everybody. Thanks for hanging with us. The best of show truck category goes to entrant 174, Mark Tronstadt, and his 1948 Suburban. Congratulations, Mark. Is Mark with us? He's coming, way back there. He's trying to get as far away from us as possible. He saw that disaster was imminent. Well, while Mark makes his way up here, we want to thank you guys so much for hanging out for the awards ceremony and for making the Burn the Point 2025 such an awesome show. It's been my pleasure to announce these awards for you. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.